Welcome to part 2 of the golf cart. This one we're going to be doing a test drive. But in the last one, I forgot to mention what I thought went wrong with the why there's water in the fuel. And now I'm telling you right now what it is. It's these grommets. I've seen this before. That's why I always keep some fresh ones. Unfortunately, I need a smaller grommet for this one. Unfortunately. So yeah, so let me put the seat back on. We'll do a test drive and hope y'all enjoy. Alright guys, that's as much fun as I could have on it. Shouldn't have been doing what I did in the first place. But I gotta clean it off and call the customer and tell them it's pretty much ready. So anyway, thanks everybody for watching this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Later everyone.